days ago, there was a question in the Mooney owners group on Facebook that I responded to in writing how to do it. And the guy who asked the question, he was looking into potentially buying a Mooney, so he had a particular question in mind. I responded to it. He actually then commented on my most recent video, so apparently he watches the channel. So I figured what I would do, since I had to come to the airport anyway, is I'd bring along what I needed and I could demonstrate kind of what I answered in this question. And what the question was is, I'm thinking of buying a Mooney, you know, hearing that Moonies are small, which we talked about in the past. But one of my particular missions are going on a golf trip, 2 people, 2 sets of clubs, 2 sets of bags, and how do you fit that all in? And he said, the particular question was, is in order to do that, I need the folding seats. So what year did they start introducing folding rear seats into Mooney aircraft? To which I responded that I have an M20E, which is a short body Mooney, which is the smallest of all Moonies, and I do that same type of trip. I've done it many times. And I don't have folding seats either. So what I was trying to do is kind of help him hopefully save a little bit of money in his aircraft purchase, because the year they introduced folding seats and the model they introduced it in would probably cost about double of what this aircraft would. So for you, I mean, if you have tons of money in your bank account and you're looking to burn it, you like making it rain, well, that's cool. You know, each to his own. But if you're like me and you get this painful burning sensation inside anytime you have to part with your hard-earned cash, maybe this video can save you about 70 grand on an aircraft purchase. So here's what we're going to do. In order to fit golf clubs into a short body Mooney or anyone without folding seats, there's a few steps, and it really doesn't take very long. But the first step is to prepare. Move your passenger seat, front seat, all the way forward and fold both front seat backs forward. Next, put in your bags. What I assume this is going to be a 3-4 day golf trip. So you have 2 bags and 2 personal items, kind of like your standard aircraft allotment. First thing, put your bags in the cargo hold. Personal items in the cargo hold. Next step, take your golf clubs and remove all clubs that are longer than a 5-iron. And so I don't damage my seats, my putter is normally stored on the outside, I'll put it inside the bag. So we're just going to set these clubs down. Next step, through the front main door, put your golf bags in the back seat. Finally, you put your golf clubs. This is a training device, so I'm going to take that one out. Take your golf clubs and you're going to put them so the grips go into the hat rack and the heads hang over the back seat. And there you have it. Here, we'll give you a shot at what this looks like. Here in the cargo hold, we have our bags. We have the grips sitting back in the hat rack, the club heads hanging over the back seat. And in the back seat, 2 sets of clubs fit nicely, laying sideways across the seat. And that is all. Easy, took only a couple minutes. Same to reassemble them on the opposite side. So 2 sets of golf clubs, 2 sets of bags, 2 people, overnight golf trip. And you don't have to spend an extra 70 grand to get a Mooney with the folding seats. See you next time.